guys, wanted to come on here and show y'all something that was sent to me. I will list all information down below in the description box so y'all can check out this company. This is basically a makeup organizer, and it came in this box. It retails for $26.99 on Amazon. Shipping was pretty fast, and if there is any coupon codes, I will let you lovies know in the description box, and you can check in the comment section as well. They do run like giveaways and stuff like that, so if there's any giveaway information, I'll have it listed below, either in the description or in the comment section. So yeah, wanted to come on here and show y'all what they sent me. So here is like the little instruction sheet here, and I am going to insert like a picture showing how it looks over here once it's assembled and all that good stuff. But I wanted to come on here and just show y'all first. It's a total of about 24 pieces that comes in here. So you get this bottom, I want to say this most likely is the bottom part. No, actually it's the middle part. And from looking at the actual picture, it looks easy to assemble. It doesn't look hard to assemble at all. So so you get these two pieces, and then you get these trays. You get these, and as you can see, they have like hooks on them. I don't know why my camera is looking like that. Hold on, y'all. Alright, but they have like hooks on them, and which you can take and hook into the spaces here. Then they also send you this right here. These little rubber band things here. I'm trying to see. Basically, these are to secure the joints, the bottom and upper joints, it says. So different joints like these, the rubber bands are to secure those. And you have this part here, which is the base. This is the base plate, and that's why this is at the bottom, because you can it's a 360 makeup storage unit. And then it also comes with the like your lipstick compartments and all of that good stuff, which is very, very neat. This compartment here, you probably can sit, like, once you assemble everything, you probably can sit like your makeup brushes like on one of these, like so, and then the brushes will just come up through there. That's what I'm guessing from looking at the paper. But yeah, so I wanted to come on here and just show you lovies this set. Like I said, I will be inserting pictures over here of the set assembled, and me putting my, you know, some makeup items inside, just so y'all can see how it looks. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and like I said, I will have all information down below as far as the company, and I will put the company name somewhere over here as well, but I will have all of their information down below. I will have their Facebook page down below as well, because they do look for new influencers and YouTubers and bloggers and so forth and so on to review their items and stuff like that. And they have different items that you can review. So yeah, and also they have lots of giveaways as well. So yeah, wanted to come on here and just share this very nice product with you lovies, and I hope you enjoy. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It is definitely free. And turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with when I upload, and I will see y'all in the next video.